Today we are checking out a very nice looking microphone that you can use for gaming, live streaming, podcasting and so on. In front of me is Maono's DM30. Maono sent me this microphone to check it out and share my opinions with you, so let's start. What is very important about this microphone, this is a USB microphone. This means you don't need any amplifier, you don't need any additional equipment. You just plug it in and it works, and it has a very nice gain. You don't have to play too much with it. It's plug and play, let's say like this. And also very nice, it has RGB that you can turn off, but I think it looks very nice, especially when I will live stream games. I will probably use this microphone because it looks very nice. The microphone is available in multiple colors: pink, purple, black and white. I choose the white one because I plan to use it with my MacBook and it simply looks dope. I think this looks really awesome, and this is full metal. Quality is very nice on this microphone on the hardware side, but we will check also the sound of the microphone later on. On the front of the microphone we have an infinite knob which you can use to adjust the headphone volume or the microphone gain. You have also two LEDs here, plus minus. We will check this out when we plug it in. And what I like very much is this honeycomb pattern on the microphone, and this is all metal, looks and feels very nice. On the bottom of the microphone we have the USB Type-C port, the headphone port, and the knob to adjust the RGB light. We have 9 modes for the RGB light. The microphone stand is also fully metal, and it has here very nice rubber to have more grip on the table, and you can also adjust with this knob how the microphone should sit, and it has here a very nice rubber gasket which will keep it exactly in the position you want. A nice tip, you can screw this out and then you adjust it how you like it, and then you screw it back in. It's easier this way, and it will stay very nice and stable. If you want to use this on a boom arm, you simply unscrew the base, and you have here this microphone screw that you can use for putting this, for example, on this boom stand here. Together with the microphone we also receive a user manual, and we receive a very nice USB cable that has an angled USB Type-C to plug it in the microphone. You can use also any other cable you like if you need another color or another length, but this is a very nice cable because you can have it to USB Type-A, or you can plug this out and it's USB Type-C. I think this is the best cable that you can buy because you don't need any adapters. It comes with everything included. The microphone is very easy to use because it's just plug and play, but if you want to use the full capabilities of this microphone, you need to download a software. The software is available for Windows, for Mac and for Android. Before testing out the microphone, I want to see the RGB light, so let's plug it in, and we have multiple modes. The light is nice and bright. It's not so easy to film, but you can see on the dark it looks very nice. And you can also turn it off if you don't like it, but I think it looks very nice, and especially this rainbow effect I think it looks very nice for game streaming, for example. I've put the microphone on a boom arm. I connected with my already available cable, and this is the software that we get for the DM30. Let's click on it and let's see what options we have. So we can now see we have standard and advanced. Let's quickly go through the standard settings. You are hearing the sound from this microphone at the moment. You can see here, for example, I have the gain set at 58, and let's play a bit with the gain. You will hear this probably in the volume. So if I go volume up, you can see that it almost starts clipping. So this is the reason why I was settling at around 60. And now if we go down, you should hear my voice getting lower volume. But I think this is very nice. You can see exactly how this is synchronized with the button. The button feels great, and we can also press the mute. So I will now press the mute button. Let's see what happens. You will see on my lips that I'm keep talking. Okay, now we've unmuted, and let's see what other options we have. Next, you can adjust the headphone volume. So you first have to press on the button, and then a blue light is here on the headphone side. And now I can change, you can see on the screen, the headphone volume, and let's put it also around 60. Probably if you set up your microphone gain, you can leave it on the headphone volume because that can change more often. Now let's play with the tones. Yeah, so now you are hearing the dip. I am pretty close to the microphone at the moment. It's nice, I don't have to use filter. From what I see, it works fine with this, but if you want to go closer, maybe you need this. Also, if you want to go closer, probably I have to drop a bit the gain. Okay, so this is when you are getting closer to get this podcast sound or radio sound, right? But if I go a bit far away, this is what you can expect. So if you are moving around the microphone, this is the quality you can get. And I think the volume is still pretty good. There are some type of microphones that work very good only when you are very near, right? But I see that this one works very well also if you move around. This is very nice. Next we have the RGB. So I can turn it off. Yeah, I can turn it on. And here I also have the possibility to set up the intensity of the brightness. So for example, you can keep it very low if you want to be discreet, right? But you can also put it to 100%, and you can see now we are on this rainbow, and we can also choose other colors. These are the colors that you can see on the screen. Yeah, so this works pretty nice. And let's see now if we go to another tone, right? Deep. Let's see, now we are on natural. Do you feel any difference? How does this sound to you? And let's go also to bright. I think depending on your voice, depending on the content you have, you can play with this and see if you like them. I see that we also have a legacy mode, so let's click on it. And this is how the legacy mode sounds like. Do you see any difference? Probably this doesn't have any effect applied on it. I'm curious which one would be your favorite. Let's go to advanced. Let's see what else we have here in advanced. Okay, so in advanced I see we have also an equalizer. Now this is flat, I think. Yeah, and we have other possibilities. This is presence boost, right? Let me know if you like this one. And the other one, what is this? HPF. Okay, high pass filter plus presence boost, right? High pass filter and presence boost. This is the high pass filter at the moment. I think the presence boost probably would sound interesting. I will have to check after I do the recording. So let's leave it on flat, and you can see we can also put here a limiter. The limiter will help you if you have a very loud sound to not destroy the ears of your viewers. You can see it here, okay? And then we have also a compressor. The compressor makes your voice to have somehow the same volume, right? If you're speaking not so loud and then you speak more loud, you have more volume, the compressor can do something and let's say adjust the volume across the line. Yeah, so this is how it sounds like. What do you think? In my opinion, this sounds very good for the value, especially that this is a very high quality microphone. It's feeling very nice in the hand and the material looks very nice, the color, and I also love that it comes with a Type-C port. What do you think about this microphone? Probably I will do live streaming with this microphone on my other channel, and I'm very curious how this will go, because this looks like a gaming microphone, let's say like this, but I think you can use it for all the scenarios, for voiceovers, and let me know what other stuff you can do with it. And for sure you can also use it with tablets, mobile phones, even for a lot of people stream now on TikTok and so on. You can use a microphone like this to boost your quality. And if you were wondering, if I go here to settings, you can check for firmware update, and I'm already to the latest firmware. This came from the box, and you have also here a factory reset. Yeah, so this is it. So this was the DM30 from Maono. Please let me know what do you think about this product. I think it's a very high quality microphone, especially on the hardware side. Let me know what do you think about this, and let me know if you have any questions. In the description you can find links to this product and to the software that you need to use with this microphone. Till next time, have a good one.